Hi friends, welcome to my channel and it's a beautiful day. Today is Wednesday. It's a wow Wednesday and just check out my earrings. Yes, I had a fabulous day yesterday. It's like once you are on the roll, you will get better results. My See the pond park how it has become now. Construction and it's very untidy. They've made a big because it's raining. It's very beautiful. I think I should get I'll have to do something, a new setup for my lifestyle, and I cannot be doing khichdi pichdi with other stuff. So it's a brand. Check me out. Isn't it cool? Perfect look. Okay, all about me. I'm just feeling so cool today. I'm feeling very beautiful. I am feeling beautiful because I woke up in the morning and I was like, should I start the day? Should I start the day? It's not that I thought that I'll be wearing this or something. It was a very spontaneous decision. So I said, let me just team up the earrings, and it is with this neck and this color. So and my lipstick is magenta, kind of fuchsia, kind of a shade. So we can check this out. Looking really good, and it's with the greenery. This is the pond park, and can you see this? Can you see the surrounding is really looking nice. Check this out. Check this out. I can't believe sometimes I look this better considering that it's all it's all my hard work. Imagine walking from here to here. Actually what happened was today I could not run a lot, and I said let me take the rickshaw so till the church, and I had some chutta paisa by coincidence. Then he said, "Chalega, madam, koi baat nahi." So that's how I had some of the energy to come down here. Yesterday I was supposed to have ragda patties, and at that Gupta Dairy, I found this Coke ka team coming in aggressively, they want to put the Coke on their headings and aggressively market their products. Now I got talking to this All India because the office is in Andheri East only, MIDC. I got talking to this manager All India. ओके एंड उनके साथ एक फॉरेनर भी था. मैंने बोला आई यू ही इज़ लाइक नो आई एम ऑल इंडिया दैट मीन्स दिस गाय इज़ रिपोर्टिंग टू द इंडियन. आई सेड इजंट इट ऑड व्हाट विल ही नो अबाउट द मार्केट. ही सिंग नो इन कोक दे कीप शफलिंग पीपल. I said, yeah, but culturally this man is, he cannot fit in anywhere. Language barrier भी होगा वो दूसरी बात है. And then I told, what is this? They are giving an energy drink promotional offer for 15 rupees. Get charged or something. I told him, I'm really sorry. I am not aware about all this because I might be living under a rock or in a cave or something because I don't watch TV and stuff like that. And I told him that I stay opposite 7-Eleven. He's saying, yeah, we've just been there. And when I went there, it seems the one who took, I said, there was a big display, colorful display. Pehle itna boring tha. Now they've all, the minute you enter the scope, he told me, what do you want to have? उसने मुझे, do you want 0%? I said, no, I don't drink fizzy drink. He's saying, you should try something. I said, I'll have Sprite. तो उसने उसी दुकान से Sprite लिया और मुझे दिया. And it was really terrible. And बोला this is flat. I said if you don't believe me, why don't you try yourself? तो उसने पी के देखा. He said it's not refrigerated. Your refrigeration is on a very high temperature. So please. तो बहुत ही फीका. और मैंने बोला शुगर तो ज़्यादा लगता नहीं है लेकिन ये इतना फ्लैट और ये है. सो यू नो व्हेन आई एम मीटिंग दिस क्वालिटी पीपल ना, people from these companies, I tell them, you please do it, you see it for yourself. 20 रुपए का सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक है, दैट डजंट मीन कि भाई हम लोग ने बस बेच रहे हैं. And they were literally very aggressive. I said, you people are like pack of hyenas just everywhere. आई सेड वैसे भी इंडियंस का डाइट क्या है, अब सबको डायबिटिक बना दो तुम लोग. दिस नेल इज नॉट ग्रोइंग. व्हेन पीपल स्टेयर एट मी ना, मुझे थोड़ा डर लगता है ना, वो नज़र भी लग जाती है. Yesterday when I was buying red bangles, I got plastic के red bangles, but they were beautiful. So I said let me have one piece of it because last week he was telling me ये अच्छे हैं, खूबसूरत है, रख लो. But I was like नहीं, प्लास्टिक के ही. सिंह देखो, मैं आपको ना ऐसे जो चीप है मैं आपको बताऊँगा नहीं, जो अच्छे नहीं दिखते. ये नया डिज़ाइन है and it was with the butterfly and it was like lacquered kind of a look and the finishing was fabulous. I'll do the reveal maybe tomorrow. Maybe I'll do that in one. I'll do the reveal of that. It's beautiful red bangles with butterfly and there's this thing on that, sequence on it. So I will do a reveal of that tomorrow or in the evening. Check this out. Check my earrings. This is so awesome. And I was like wearing that very boring कल वाला कुर्ता जो घर का टाइप था, but I had teamed up with this and a neck piece and I was like fully fabulous. So that's how I'll go walking and you can see that over here they have done this, so I don't want to go walking over there. So I was looking very fabulous, like very attractive. No wonder. See, then I told him, see, अगर लोग पान गुड़का खा सकते हैं, बाखड़े का खाना खा सकते हैं, तो तुम्हारा कोक क्या बिगाड़ लेगा इनका. ये वैसे भी I told him Indians otherwise also eat unhealthy food. इतना सारा स्टार्च, शुगर, कार्बोहाइड्रेट इनका तो मुंह चलता रहता है, तो बोलने के लिए या तो गाय की तरह चरते रहते हैं. He was laughing. But I don't think he is consuming any of his company's product because he looked very slim and trim and fit. I said, do you think it's ethical? I know you're doing great job and तुम्हारा तो promotion भी होगा. Because they were on the field and they were wearing t-shirts, black t-shirts. And they were like an undercover thing. And Delhi का brand culture had come here and were doing all those things. मतलब उनका marketing कितना aggressive होगा. I'm looking really beautiful. I don't know how I'm looking beautiful. Not that I'm eating a lot of nutrient-rich foods or something. मैंने Sprite का बता दिया and it was really, then when I told the Delhi वाला guy, I said I met your main guy. He's saying I'm from Delhi. He's saying yeah, कल से वो team घूम रही है. And when I told him कि वो Sprite flat and all, he didn't wanted to hear that. So he said I'm a little busy and he went out. And he was standing far away because naturally flat मतलब उसमें कुछ भी fizz तो छोड़ दो, स्वाद ही नहीं था पता. And after having that I felt very ill. I shouldn't be saying that. Most of these things are not these fast foods na. We should literally bless them and eat. Any food which we eat from outside, I personally feel. I didn't feel good after having that. I didn't get a good feeling. I said those Mexicans are drinking so much of this Coke, number one consumers. He's like, India में only 20 bottles. I said, ऐसा तो है ही नहीं. I said, every person is drinking Coke every single day. और अभी इतना एग्रेसिव मार्केटिंग है, छोटे बच्चे भी उसको खरीदने लगेंगे. 15 rupees for an energy drink. I said, I'm going to hide this placard. He was laughing. He was smiling and he was like, I said, not right. What you people are doing? The minute you enter 7-Eleven, there's Coke all over. It's like you're just entering in and there's 0%. And you know what? They give these health influencers some money to tell them ki 0% Coke. And they have done it very subtly. I remember watching some channel and this guy, mental, was telling कि नहीं भाई, you don't eat ghee and all, but you can drink zero का. मैंने बोला, he was asking me, आपको zero coke चाहिए क्या? Zero sugar. मैंने बोला diet coke. I said that वो और ज़्यादा खतरनाक है, उसमें बहुत सारे केमिकल्स हैं, तो इससे तुम्हारा स्प्राइट ही पी लूँगी. सो मुझे आदत चलते फिरते मुझे रिव्यूज़ अभी I meet from people from the top management now. I speak to them straight on their faces. I said, please, for goodness sake. आज ना मुझे कुछ खास खाने का पुट्टू खाने का मन कर रहा है. मलयाली रेस्टोरेंट में जाती हूँ ना पुट्टू खाने. See, am I looking innocent? Am I looking cute? Am I looking fun? It's because of my movement and being, very straightforward, being almost honest. I won't say like, just being. I know myself how I'm managing every single day. And to look like this, I never thought in my whole life that I could look like this. But yes, since I'm very fond of styling and all that, then I told now the ladies in the Nana Nani Park are saying हमें भी लिपस्टिक लगाने का मन करता है. मैंने बोला लगा दो ना, क्या है. डोंट थिंक अबाउट पीपल. वो क्या सोचेंगे कि सुबह सुबह तुम एक्सरसाइज करने आते हो. या मैंने बोला अ वुमन शुड बी लुकिंग प्रिटी. शी शुड बी लुकिंग like a woman, not coming in nighty and rubbish clothes. When I see people in rubbish clothes ना, मैं उनको वहीं पे बैन कर दूँ. मैनर्स नहीं है, डिसिप्लिन नहीं है, वो एक अलग बात है. बट तुम अपने शक्ल से इतने अगली लगोगे तो I don't even look. Yesterday that old auntie was like sticking to me, like she was touching me, like and then she's peeking into my purse and all that. And then she was asking because I see her every single day and she's saying, I said सुबह सुबह मैं तुम्हें देखती हूँ. She's like मैं बिल्लियों को खाना खिलाती हूँ. मैंने बोला I felt like saying तू कुछ खाना खा ले क्योंकि तू गिरने वाली है. Then she's like तू मेरी बेटी जैसी है. So when people see me, they want to stick to me or they want to touch me or they want to be close to me, like And then when I was buying something, she's like this, like a hawk. I'm like, just not done. Okay, I'll do something. Is that I'll check this out. I can see some big pipes in the surroundings which are not there before. Those are those rusty pipes or something of that sort. So beautiful. Check this out. See, check this out. Oh, these ladies were celebrating some Vatta Purnima or something. तो इन्होंने पेड़ को ना साड़ी पहनाई है. Mental. Little cookie in our heads. We are little mental. Indians are little crazy. Like they have these. They do such crazy things. नाउ इफ अगर फॉरेनर कोई देखेगा तो बड़ा कल्चर वाला ट्रेडिशन. मैंने बोला देखो जो करता है उनको पता होता है. वो जिनको पूछो दे विल ऑल्सो नॉट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट दे आर डूइंग बट दे आर डूइंग इट. उसका कोई मीनिंग तो रहता नहीं है. ओह इट्स सो प्रिटी. ऐसा लगता है बोट हो यार. ऐसा लगता था कश्मीर वाला फीलिंग. देयर इज अ बोट एंड यहाँ पे एक सॉन्ग शूट करना चाहिए बोट के अंदर एक लेके. You know what is he telling me? You're our brand ambassador. मैंने फ़ोटो निकाले और then I send it to him and he's saying you're our brand. मैंने बोला brand ambassador. जिस चीज़ को मैं फ्री में मुझे कोई फ्री में भी देगा ना I'll pass on to somebody. जैसे Red Bull, Monster मुझे कोई फ्री देता. जब प्रमोशंस होते थे if I'll get it in my hand I'll give it to somebody. मुझे चाहिए भी नहीं. Am I cool? Yes you are. Kind of hungry, so maybe I'll go to I don't know whether I'll go to the pond park or something, but I will go and have my kadla and puttu. So bye, take care of yourselves and see you all with my jewelry reveal tomorrow with my red bangles, maybe in the Nana Nani Park. Have a nice day, sweeties. That uncle was laughing at me. यार 1000 क्या करते हो, उंगलियां दुखती है. लाइक 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 लाइक, सब्सक्राइब सब्सक्राइब सब्सक्राइब, प्लीज मेक इट 1000. I'm just 140 subscribers away from making 1000. Not that the YouTube bothers about it, but for me it will be an achievement. I'm just hoping and wishing, and I'm just everything should be all right. Then I can be like, yay. I should not be so happy, but I am happy because hopefully if things are going fine, then my dream come true. तुम लोगों को पता है. I don't want to reveal, but I'm revealing a little bit. I'm working towards it behind the scenes. Don't think I'm just sitting on my ass. But a lot of things, there were a lot of roadblocks and a lot of bottlenecks. That's the reason why things were not catching up. But hopefully, take care of yourselves. Bye.